In this video, I will show you how to download and install Downloader on your Fire TV stick. So, over here is my Fire TV stick, and just so you know, the Downloader app is already available on the Amazon App Store of your Fire TV stick. So there is basically no need for you to start sideloading the app into your Fire TV stick. So to install this app, what you want to do is to come over to the home of your Fire TV stick, and then you just want to move over to this search bar over here, and then scroll down until you get to App Store over here, click on it. And on the Amazon App Store, you just want to scroll over to this search icon at the top left corner of the Amazon App Store. So just scroll over to this search icon and then come over to this input field over here. And you want to go ahead and search for Downloader. So just go ahead and search for Downloader. It's a very popular app, and even before I finish typing, you can literally see the Downloader suggestion over here. So you just want to scroll down and then click on Downloader, just like so. And over here is the Downloader app. Now you want to go ahead and click on the app icon. And at this point, you just want to go ahead and click on OK to download and install the Downloader app into your Fire TV stick. And once it is done downloading, you can simply go ahead and launch the app directly from the Amazon App Store. So just go ahead and click on the open button, just like so. And now we have the Downloader app running smoothly on our Fire TV stick. Now you just want to go ahead and click on allow, and then click on OK. And at this point, if you have a downloader code, you can simply just go ahead and enter it on this particular field. If you also want to browse, you can simply just go ahead and use the browser of the downloader directly from here. Now, if you also want to be able to access the Downloader app easily, you can just come over to your home of your Fire TV stick, and then you just want to scroll over to the list of apps over here, click on OK. And now you're going to find the Downloader app available for use on your Fire TV stick over here. That will be all on how to download and install Downloader on your Fire TV stick. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.